I can't believe I'm doing this. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I have like 4 orders that I'm currently still waiting on for things that I was going to do videos with, but due to everything that's been going on in the world, understandably, they have been very backed up. Like some of the things I ordered a month ago and they still haven't been shipped yet. And I was banking on something coming in on time for me to do a video for this week, but that is not the case. So as one does, I went on the internet looking for ideas, and then I quickly went to TikTok to distract myself, and then it hit me. Remember a few months ago when everyone was doing an e-girl transformation? Well, if I don't have my own idea, let's take theirs. If you don't know what an e-girl is, Google it, get on TikTok. I'm like the 1 millionth person to do a YouTube video on this trend, so you may have even seen it done before. So that is what we're going to be doing today, because honestly, I don't have anything else. My bangs are looking terrible today. In my previous video, I cut them, but I really need to wash my hair right now, and they are just not sitting right, but we're gonna be doing something for the video, so I'll wash them tonight. For now, I'm just gonna pin them out of the way. Nope, okay. From my understanding, a modern day e-girl kind of looks like what we would have called in middle school or high school someone that's emo or scene. It's definitely different because styles change, but it's like kind of the same realm. I was scrolling looking for outfit inspiration, but I don't really own anything that could be considered e-girl. They wear a lot of black band t-shirts over like striped long sleeve shirts, I guess. But I threw together the best thing I had, so I will be right back. Okay, this is what we have. Tried to crop it, roll the sleeves. This is the best I could do. But like, it kind of passes, right? So most of what I'm going to be doing today is just going to be makeup. When I was looking up pictures of e-girls, they had pretty much the same makeup style throughout every single picture. And even if you didn't know what an e-girl was, I feel like you've probably seen this makeup look before. So one of the first things I noticed for the e-girls is they typically have some kind of bright eyeshadow all over their lid. It looks like typically one color. A lot of the ones I saw were either pink or orange, but the most popular color I saw was pink. So that is what I'm going to be starting with. I'm going to use my Color Story in Bloom palette, and I'm going to go with a combination of these 2 pinks in the middle. I'm just going to swipe that all over my lid. I'm also going to kind of bring it out of the corner of my eye as well, because they also wear winged eyeliner. Alright, one eye down. I guess this pink really clashes with the green in my shirt, but whatever. I'm also going to put a fine line of those same 2 colors on the bottom lash line. Something else they do is they typically have a strong inner corner highlight, so I'm going to be using this Star Island highlighter by Ofra. Okay, now that we have an inner corner highlight, I'm also going to go in with the thick black dark eyeliner that they use. I'm not going to do it on camera though because I'm terrible at that. For eyeliner, I use the Tarte Sex Kitten. But eyeliner, I wish it was a bit darker. It seems like it's kind of like grayish black. It doesn't seem like it's black. Another one of the very key signature things of an e-girl is blush on your nose and kind of like all over the bridge of your nose and on your cheeks. It's an interesting look. Nothing I've ever tried before, but maybe it's trying to give that like sunburnt look. I don't really need that with blush because if I step out in the sun for 5 minutes, pale skin is gonna burn. So I'm taking the Tarte Quirky Amazonian Clay Blush, and I guess we'll just do that. Okay, I thought I was gonna look absolutely insane doing this, but like low-key a look? No wonder they do it. Okay, add a little bit more. I wonder if I were to go out in my Midwestern city wearing this, what people would think. Something else I've seen are fake freckles, so I'm taking this by Revolution Pro. It's the warm brown brow pencil. I love this. I'm actually just about out. I'm just gonna... Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna try it with the eyeliner because that lid's looking like it's too big. So obviously that looks really freaking fake. So to blend it out and look more natural, I'm gonna go back in with the blush and go over that eyeliner once it's completely dry to blur them. This isn't actually working how I planned. I think this eyeliner is too good. I'm just gonna keep blending until it looks better. Okay, we're just gonna leave it as it is. We also have to do little hearts underneath our eyes, because that's what they do apparently. I don't know where this trend came from, but they have either dots or hearts like right on the top of their cheekbones. Okay, that is not easy. Maybe it'd be better with something that's not felt tip. I'm gonna try it with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster that has more of a malleable tip. Okay, yeah, a lot easier with this kind of tip. I think the felt is just way too stiff. I think I'm gonna do like little ones above the large ones. I think they're kind of supposed to be like a heart tears or something. I just want to quickly clarify that I'm not doing this to make fun of e-girls. I think their trend, their style is really cute. It's not for me. It's not something I can really pull off, but I'm really not trying to bash them, so please don't take it that way. Next, I'm gonna go in with some standard mascara. I don't think they do anything particularly special for this. Okay, I'm also going to do some whitening eyeliner on the bottom waterline to brighten my eyes a bit. There we go. I saw one look where they had a gloss that was concentrated on the middle of their lips and kind of diffused out. So I'm using the Jelly Pong Pong lip oil in cherry tomato. I'm just gonna put it on the middle. Like that, and rub them together. And it looks pretty natural. I couldn't really find any pictures of e-girls where they were really wearing lip color. All right, so this is what we have so far. I feel like a whole new person already. Next is hair. A lot of the pictures I found, girls had colored hair, but I've also seen another trend that I don't think is necessarily an e-girl trend, maybe just a hair trend, where they color the front pieces of their hair, just like the front two pieces. And I'm gonna try and do like a play on that. I'm gonna take my bangs and I'm gonna try and do all of that pink. To do so, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Colorista hair makeup. This is in Raspberry 10. This is the one-day color. I actually did a video on this several weeks back, and I really ended up liking the one in the tube, not so much the one in the spray though. So I'm gonna take a little pump, and I'm just going to put that in my bangs. This stuff washes off skin extremely easily. That's why I'm not wearing any gloves. And I'm gonna comb it through. Go wash my hands. All right, we have the finished look. Honestly, I'm kind of liking it. Would I do this out in the public? No, but it's cute. It feels like I'm dressing up. I mean, I do see the appeal. This is a really cool, cute aesthetic. Not for me, but maybe today. Let's see. Let's find some typical e-girl poses. They do this like thing where they pull back. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it correctly? Looks like they just touch their face a lot. How do these girls not have acne if they touch their face this much? I hope you don't mind this different kind of silly video. I hope to get in my products soon so that I can go back to normal videos or whatever is considered normal for my channel. I really don't know. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of whatever I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.